Hi, Joy. Hello, Joy. Good morning. Good evening, Joy. I'm about to say good morning. Good evening, Joy. How are you feeling, Joy? What you are? No, you're perfectly fine. And I am really And it's good to see you, Happy Joy. So please make yourself comfortable, okay? Why? Why? What did you eat for dinner tonight? Chicken, banana. Okay, that's delicious, Joy, and healthy as well. Okay, wait, let me share my screen now, Joy, and we will continue talking about adjectives, okay? Look at the picture, this one again. Look at the picture again, Joy. This one. Okay, so you have to describe the people right here. Like, for example, the girl is tall, the boy is taller. Okay. Now, what about for two?
The the ball is short.
Very good.
The
The boy is short, the girl
the
is.
ball, the ball is shorter.
Great job. Now, what about in here?
The grandmother is old. The grandfather is older.
Well done, Joy. Next one.
The the boy young. The baby is younger.
Great job.
The the boy the boy is
The boy is.
boy is
Oh,
strong. The girl is stronger.
very good.
The boy is weak. The girl is weaker.
Great job, Joy. Okay, there you have it, Joy. Now let us have this one. So, yes, in here, Joy, all you have to do is to
Who's
answer
who is
is
tall?
taller. Who's taller, Joy, Danny, or
Danny,
Julie?
Danny.
Okay, Danny is taller. You will not answer just the name, Joy. You have to answer in a complete sentence like Danny is taller. Now, who is shorter, Joy? Danny or Julie?
Julie.
Is
Julie.
Julie is
Julie is short.
shorter. Okay, Julie is shorter, Joy. Because in here we are comparing Danny and Julie. So we will not say Danny is tall, Julie is short. Okay. Now, can you tell me who is older? Joy, is it Mike or
Mike. Mike. Mike.
okay, Mike? Wait, let me give a name for this one first. Okay, Ben. Mike or Ben? Mike is
Mike is old.
older, not old, Joy. Mike
Older.
is, yes. Who is younger, Mike or Ben?
Ben is younger.
Okay, yes, very good. Who is stronger, Joy? Is it Emma or Anne?
Emma. Emma.
Yes,
Emma.
stronger. Okay,
Emma
now
is
who
strong.
is weaker? Who is weaker, Emma or Anne?
And
Okay, Anne
is weaker.
Okay, yes, there you have it. That's correct, Joy. Thank you so much, Joy. Now, let us proceed to another one. In here, you have to tell me the correct adjectives that describe each person. Like, for example, it's a baby, it's young, Joy. Now, what about for two, Joy?
Oh,
It's very good. It is old. Now, next one, Joy, she is.
who is taller?
Okay, she's tall, not taller, Joy. We are not comparing them.
Short.
Okay, short, very good. Next one,
The boy, the boy
the
is
boy is.
weak.
The boy
The
is.
boy weak.
The boy is weak. Him
The
is not
boy is
weak.
strong.
Yeah, he is
The
strong.
strong.
And the last one.
The boy is weak.
Okay, yes, very good. Week. Okay, Joy. Now, let us have this one, Joy. See, we have circles in A. You have to unscramble it, Joy. We have G.
He
A. We have O.
O
T. A. R. Another R, Joy. W, E, and K. Now we have here two words, Joy. The first word, Joy, it starts with a G, and the other word starts with W. So we will erase G and W. What word do you think is it, Joy?
O
Mhm. What do you think? It's It ends with T, Joy, and the other one ends with K. We will erase K and T.
go
Okay, we will write R here, Joy. We will erase R.
O O
Oh, okay, we will write
O
O here,
O
Joy. What do you
O
think is it, Joy?
E E
Okay, E is in here. What should we
A
write here?
A
Okay, yes, it is A. So it's great work, Joy.
R
Okay. Great work,
work.
Joy. Well done, Joy. Okay, now let us proceed to. Okay, now in here, Joy, I want you to match it. Like, for example, in picture 4, we match it with a tall boy. Now, what about for the first one, Joy? Can you try to match it, Joy? See, a tall boy. Now, what about in here, Joy? Okay, yes, that is correct, Joy. 4 is correct. That is the given example.
Young.
Can you match it, Joy? A young, yes, a young what? A young woman, girl, or man? What do you think? Okay, very good, Joy. That's right. Next one, Joy. Last two
Two.
pictures. Last two pictures, Joy.
And old.
An old.
It is an old man.
Okay,
Two.
yes, an old woman, which means the other one is a strong man. That is correct, Joy. Thank you so much. So, all correct answers now. Let us have the other activity, Joy. Like, for example, the
The
boy
boy.
is
The boy.
tall. See, the boy is tall. The blank
The
is blank.
the the girl is young.
Is
The
it the,
boy.
no, what about in here? Is it the boy or the girl is tall or taller? Her. What can you say about her?
Uh, the boy is taller.
No,
The boy
it's
is taller.
the girl
The boy.
is
The
taller.
girl
The boy
is taller.
tall, Joy, but the
The
girl
boy.
is
The boy.
taller.
The girl is young. The the boy is young. The girl
Young.
is young. The boy is younger.
Okay, very good. Next one, Joy.
The woman is weak.
Okay.
The woman is weaker.
What? The woman is weak. The woman is weaker. No, the woman is weak. That sentence is correct, Joy. But you have to describe the other person, which is the man. Okay, the man is
The man is weaker.
very good. It is. He is weaker. Now for Joy.
The 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 boy is
Man.
tall. The man is short. The girl is shorter.
Okay, the woman is a shorter. Okay, that's right, Joy. Thank you. Next one now. Okay, in here you have two,
Who
right?
who's
Who's
who
blank, Ella or Kiko?
who's who
Who's
who's eh, who
who's
who strong
stronger, Joy? Because we
who's
are,
strong
yes. Who's stronger, Ella or Kiko? Ella.
is stronger.
Very good. Ella is stronger. Next one, Joy. Second picture.
Who's old?
Who's old?
Who's old?
Who's
What?
older?
What?
Who's older?
Who older? Who older? Rob or
Sam.
Sam. Sam is Sam is older.
Very good, Joy. Last picture given, Joy.
Who taller?
Who,
Who
who's taller?
taller? Who taller? May or Eva? Eva is taller.
Okay, very good. Eva is taller. That is right, Joy. Thank you so much. Now, let us proceed to the grammar animations of Unit 5, Lesson
Unit 5.
1, Joy. For a moment, Joy, let me prepare the activity real quick. Okay. Wait, let me stop sharing and let me share my screen again, Joy. Okay, so in here, all you have to do is to unscramble it. Okay? Can you unscramble and complete the sentence, Joy?
Man is the man
The
is
woman
the woman is taller
is taller.
is her. The the man is taller.
Okay, yes, which is shown in the picture, Joy. Though we can say that the girl right here is tall, but the man is taller than her. Next one.
The woman is weak. The man is weaker.
Very good, Joy. Next one.
The boy is young. The girl is younger.
Okay, very good. Next one.
The the woman is old. The man is older.
Very good, Joy. Okay, listen now and fill in the gap, okay?
The man is short.
The man is short.
The woman is shorter.
The woman is shorter.
Very good, Joy. Correct. Next one.
The boy is strong.
The boy is strong.
Very
The
good.
girl is stronger.
The girl is stronger.
Great job. Next one.
The boy is young.
The boy is young.
The girl is younger.
The girl is younger.
Okay, yes, the girl is younger indeed.
The man is weak.
The man is weak. The woman is weaker.
The woman
Very
is
good.
weaker.
Okay, there you have it. Now, can you tell me who
Who
is
weaker, the
weaker?
boy or the girl is weaker?
Okay, yes, very good. That's correct. Who's shorter, the girl or the boy?
The boy is short. The boy is shorter.
Shorter. Okay, yes, the boy is shorter, Joy. Who's younger, the man or the baby?
The man or boy.
Who is younger, Joy?
The boy is younger.
Okay, yes, very good. Next one, who's stronger, the man or the boy?
The, the, the boy is the boy is stronger.
Is the
The
boy
man, the
stronger?
man, the
Yes,
man.
it is the man. Who is taller, the woman or the girl?
The woman is taller.
Very good. That's right. Now, who's stronger, Emma or Anne?
Emma. Emma is
Is
stronger.
Who's a shorter, Joy, Julie, or Danny or Julie?
Julie.
Is
Julie.
Julie is
Julie is short.
Shorter. Okay, Julie is
Julie
shorter.
is shorter.
Remember to add ER, Joy, because in here we are comparing two people. Okay, next one now. Who's older, Mike or Leo?
Leo.
Leo is older?
Mike.
Mike is older. Okay, Mike is older. Who's younger, Leo or Anne?
Anne.
Anne is. Answer in a complete sentence.
Anne is younger.
Okay, very good. That's correct. Now, who's taller,
Oh,
Danny or Julie?
Danny.
Danny.
Danny is tall.
Okay, Danny is taller. Okay, very good. There you have it. And we're done with those adjectives. Joy. Now, let us...
It's not finished.
It's not yet finished, Joy. It's not yet finished. Okay, we will now have more adjectives. As you can
see. Clean, dirty, pretty, ugly.
Okay, again. What can you say about this coat, Joy? This coat is
Thin.
thick. Thick.
Thick.
Thick. Okay, what about this one?
Thin.
The jacket. Yes. What about this shirt? It's
clean, dirty.
clean, dirty. How about the dress? What can you say about the dress, Joy?
I don't know.
It's pretty. Pretty.
Pretty, ugly.
Okay. Ugly. Can you say ugly? Not ugly. Ugly.
Ugly.
Yes. Now let us have this one, Joy. In here, you have to
The
construct
red
sentences.
socks are thicker than the blue socks.
Yes, which is what you can see in the picture given, right? That the red socks are thicker than the blue socks. Now, what about for the second one, Joy? Still about socks. We're still talking about socks. You have to create another sentence, Joy, just like this, but this time talking about the blue one.
The ice cream is
Second one, Joy. This one, Joy. See, two. The blue socks. The blue socks.
is
Not is, Joy. Not is. Are.
The socks are thicker.
Thinner this time, Joy. Thinner. Than
the red socks.
Okay, than the red socks. Because the red socks, Joy, they are thicker. So, opposite of thick, it is thin. Thick, thin. Okay, now what about for the second one, Joy? Talking about t-shirt.
The t-shirt is clean. The t-shirt
white
is
t-shirt.
The white t-shirt is clean. The
Cleaner is cleaner.
The The white t-shirt is clean. The
Then
the
what color is the other one? Pink?
the pink t-shirt is
Okay. Okay. The white t-shirt is cleaner than the pink t-shirt. And opposite with Joy for the pink t-shirt.
pink t-shirt. The pink
Yes.
t-shirt is dirty.
Than
Than the pink t-shirt.
no, than the white t-shirt. Because in here,
Than
Joy, we're comparing the pink t-shirt and the white t-shirt. Okay, we will answer this
the
one
white
again
t-shirt
next.
is cleaner than the pink t-shirt.
Yes, that's right. We will continue that one next meeting. Okay, thank you so much for your time, Joy. Goodbye. Yay!